Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to share a Claude AI chat link. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because if you go right here to chats, you can find right here all the chats that we created. And if you select right now, for example, a chat starting from scratch, and we want to share this chat with someone else, we can click right here on share. And then we can decide if we want to keep it private or create a public link. So we can decide what we want to do. Now let's do create a public link. Then we can copy this link right here, paste it right here in this bar, and boom, there we are. We are now here in our own Claude AI chat with the link that we sent to someone. So now we can click on start your own conversation. And this is how you can share Claude AI conversations or chats with a link. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.